I wanted to explain how to make leader cloths for the Grace quilt frame, and I actually did it wrong, but I think it'll be okay. But what I did was I cut according to the directions I found on graceframe.com. This one is correct. So this is the back, and it's supposed to be 14 inches long. So what I did was, well, I'll show you on another one. I'll show you on this one because it's shorter. I use Velcro here, and it's a low profile Velcro. And then I stuck it to the fabric too. This one is a 5-inch. It said it only had to be 3, but I wanted it to be longer. And these pieces of wood are in here because these bars come apart. They're not stuck together really well. So this one is the 5-inch one, and it's supposed to come out from underneath. And see, here's where I have it backwards. I wanted it to be on this side, but I'll just have to remark it. But you can still see my markings. So it's all Velcroed on. So this is this one here, this one, and this is front rail right here, front rail, and it's supposed to be 3 inches of cloth. And I just serged the edges of these, and then serged both edges and stuck the Velcro on. Plus, on the ends, I did serge these ends too, and stuck those on there. So the cloth is supposed to come out, and then you pin to the 1-inch line your backing. And then this mid rail is supposed to be, this is middle rail 10 inches. I made it 11. And so it comes out from underneath like this into the center. This comes out into the center like that. And this is where you'll be sewing, in this area. And then this one is the one I actually did right. This comes out over the top and goes down. And I believe this holds the backing here and backing here. I'll have to watch some more videos on how to do that, but I think that's how it's done. And then this one I did hem the side. So then I found out online too which way these sprockets are supposed to face, these teeth. So these are going that way, these are going this way, and then this one is going that way. So I have those correct. So this will actually go like clockwise to wind up. This one goes counterclockwise, and then this one goes clockwise. So I just thought I would share in case anybody wants to make leader cloths through Grace Company. I think they're like $150, and I just cut them 105 inches long so I could put a hem. And then according to the directions I did 15-inch, 11-inch, and a 5-inch. I made them. They're supposed to be 14, 10, and 3. And then the length, which is 105 long. So I hope that helps.